tonight's show. Welcome to Shark's Den, where a group of talented students from all over the world will pitch their solutions to a panel of judges for a grand prize of $25,000. Please give a warm welcome to YTV Consulting.
My name is Berkeley. My colleagues are Ricky, Ronald, and Andrew. We are YTV Consulting, and we aim to redefine student accommodation through the inception of quality and premium residencies. We have developed a stable business strategy for UniVerb by developing a mobile application that enriches both the social and cultural experience of residents, where safety, convenience, and intelligent processes collaborate to form our central values through the use of innovative technological applications. We've conducted extensive market research and have identified several solutions to differentiate themselves from competitors who provide typical accommodation packages. By introducing an array of mobile features that cover each resident's needs and requirements, UniVerb will be able to provide the appropriate functions to provide premium quality living, lifestyle, and conveniences.
So on to customer segments. Our predominant target age group is composed of 18 to 25-year-old students at universities around Sydney, primarily wealthier customers from upper middle class families who are willing to pay more for premium services, falling into two niche markets. Our first niche market of international students has the potential to become one of UniVerb's largest customer bases, with substantial amount of international students at universities around Sydney. For example, the major universities UNSW, UCID have over 26 and 30% of the student populations respectively made up of international students. These students who may be settling in and getting to know the local culture and environment will likely benefit from the convenience and accessibility UniVerb residencies have to offer, with outstanding features including easy to book study halls, hobby centres, and the on-site grocery shop and gym. UniVerb offers an attractive lifestyle above campus colleges and local apartment sharing. The second niche market of local students is typified by more affluent students who prefer to move out either to seek something new and exciting. Although a secondary and smaller market, we believe UniVerb should not neglect this opportunity. By positioning itself above budget-type accommodations and targeting specific student markets, customers of UniVerb will be able to experience a sensational, unique experience. The main distribution channels of UniVerb involves modern technology that is already an essential part of our everyday life. More expensive traditional approaches include public advertising through TV and billboards, which we will ignore in response to emerging forces in online distribution. These methods are more cost-effective, yet still have plenty of reach through the accessibility of technology by the fingertips of every student today. Examples of online include search advertising such as Google search links, mobile and social media presence. Through the web and mobile compatible app that we designed for UniVerb, we seek to provide both a suitable first point of contact for customers as well as the ongoing CRM capabilities. Two-way information gives users the information they need whilst returning data to us. This enables customer profiling, allowing offers to be made based on their habits and preferences to better anticipate what the customers want, improving personalized communication and their satisfaction. In addition, we're proposing an increase in our online presence through social media. UniVerb will use this department to engage with and generate a high level of participation with users to create a strong emotional link. The social media platforms will include Facebook, YouTube, Twitter.
So moving on to our proposed revenue streams, our major source of income can be obtained through allowing other companies, especially small and local businesses, to advertise their goods and services through our app. These advertisements will be displayed as animated banners at the bottom of the app, so that users can choose to either click the advertisement or ignore it if it doesn't suit their taste. In return for allowing them this advertising space, these companies, especially local businesses, will pay UniVerb to take advantage of this business opportunity to target university students in the area. Furthermore, there can be potential for further partnerships with these local businesses. These partnerships will yield benefits for both parties. For example, discounts and delivery deals can be offered to students through the app. This will open the door for improved relations and potentially higher revenue streams in the future. These revenue streams can come in form of a fixed rate offered to these local businesses plus additional charges per click. For example, Facebook charges on average 64 cents per click with an average click-through rate of 0.9% in 2015. This means that for 100 clicks, Facebook receives $64 from the company that they are advertising for. Another way to charge for this advertising is through a cost per thousand impression system. On average, Facebook receives an average of $7.29 per thousand impressions. This means that for every 1,000 people seeing the advertisement, Facebook can charge $7.29 from that company. Furthermore, 79% of their advertisement revenue comes from their mobile app, which reinforces our decision to develop a mobile application instead of a website. Payments for these services, including the primary source of income through accommodations, can be accepted in a variety of ways. Primarily, customers prefer to pay in store with credit or debit cards. Our app can help facilitate this process by having a Find Us feature which tells users where the nearest Univerve office is. As such, they can walk in and have face-to-face consultations and also have the choice to pay on the spot through FPOS terminals. On the other hand, payments can also be made through the app, either indirectly through bank transfers or through the mobile payment function within the app itself.
Building on what Ronald said, a key resource in our mobile application being successful is the need to implement a payment system within the software. Due to this, we paid for Zuora's services. Zuora is a company that will work together with Univerve in creating their payment systems through the use of APIs, Application Programming Interface. The use of APIs essentially means that with the correct programming, any shopping cart or application connected to the internet can be used to run payment and refund transactions via the payment gateway that is linked to the most payment options such as Visa and MasterCard. We have decided to employ a cloud-based software suite, NetSuite, to cater for Univerve's value proposition of being an application that's convenient to use. They offer both cloud-based enterprise resource planning and customer relations management. The ERP would greatly streamline business processes with increased visibility of the company as a whole, allowing better improved management decisions, while the CRM will allow Uniserve to have a bird's eye view over their customer segments in the several aspects such as access to customer trends and forecasting. Also, NetSuite provides their own highly secure data security service. To construct the app, we sought out Apery.io, another cloud-based platform that offers mobile application building services. We chose Apery.io due to its versatility and array of different features that can be processed into the application. It allowed the app to be responsive to majority of phones, meaning that it is able to run across all device types and screen sizes. Furthermore, the package deal came with pre-made templates and also a customizable UI that could be click and drag effectively, providing the Univerve staff with a convenient app building experience depending on their needs. In terms of technology regarding on-campus events, we'll be incorporating the use of Google Maps to essentially guide users to campus events and also to facilities such as the sports center, local shops, and even classrooms. Furthermore, push notifications will be enabled in conjunction with Univerve's internal service. This will effectively inform users of certain events. Furthermore, the functionality of social media integration is a significant component of Univerve's value proposition to improve social interaction between users. By partnering with Facebook and Google+, users will be asked to sign up with their social media accounts, creating a convenient experience without the hassle of needing or inputting all your details, and also enabling Univerve to add personal data to their servers. This aspect synergizes well with the CRM system that we want to incorporate, as staff will enjoy a streamlined process to send notifications and news that align with the interests of each customer segment. Due to the large scale of the Univerve app, the analytics and security team will be expected to take reasonable and technical precaution in handling the personal information of consumers to avoid any loss or misuse of information. Plus, in the handling of this issue, we have enlisted the services of NetSuite, a cloud-based platform that will provide a range of security features such as 128-bit encryption. The security provided by NetSuite is highly secure, as 128-bit encryption essentially is considered unhackable in today's current state of technology, effectively safeguarding consumer privacy information. The second risk that we encountered was increasing engagement of the application. This is an issue as the app is the main avenue of Univerve's revenue and method of attracting new customers. Therefore, it is important to cater for customer retention and engagement. Statistics show that user abandonment of apps is 25% in 2015 and is shown to be steadily rising. To encounter these issues, we have included a variety of solutions. Firstly, there will be easier onboarding, meaning that signups and logins will be more convenient and accessible to consumers. As first-time user experience is highly imperative, as it increases retention by 500%. Also, Univerve must implement certain incentives for customers to use their mobile application, such as accessibility coupons and discounts to the facilities or restaurants around the residence. This will also include priority booking with facilities for students who reserve using a mobile app.
All the features outlined by my colleagues previously. This is currently the prototype of the format of the mobile application that also has web functionality. This will increase the application's utility due to ease of access through both the web and a phone application. A customer would use one of the many functions of the website to maximize their experience with Univerve. This is the home screen and provides an overview of what happens when you scroll through the application and shows the different features of that clients can click on. So for the next page, they can make bookings for the many facilities on the site. For example, gym classes, meeting room bookings, and study space bookings. It's a very simple process, and residents can click book to reserve their specified amenity. Next, we have the room booking page for potential residents to look at our competitive prices and the different array of rooms and choose rooms to live in based on their preference. By clicking into one of the rooms, our clients can see more photos of the rooms, room details such as the room size, how much it costs, and the amenities that are provided. The next feature that we're including in our application is a page for students to find places to eat and drink. We will also have ongoing communications with restaurants in the local precinct to find deals for students and also potentially find marketing synergies with these restaurants by placing advertisements on our websites to create a revenue stream. Operations staff may use the application to keep residents updated on the latest events. For example, the one listed here is a festival nearby that students can participate in. And as Ronald has articulated previously, we could potentially form a partnership with them to promote both the festival and the residence itself. As with most websites, we will have a page that describes Univerve and what it caters to and what it provides, and a page for any further inquiries via the Contact Us page. We are YTB Consulting, and thank you for your time.